All right, you guys, my name is Gabe Cruz, and I think I have finally found someone who can match me on a mountain board.
My name's Dylan Warren, and I've come all the way from Australia to show you guys how to ride a mountain board.
And this is the real best mountain boarder in the entire world. Hopefully we can get a flip here today.
Well, I'll try my best.
We'll see. Maybe the braille drop, maybe I'll do a front flip. Who knows, but he's gonna take it around. We were clearly amateurs on this thing. I guess, I can't remember exactly what we did, but we did some like okay stuff.
Yeah, you guys shredded that thing.
But we wanna see what you can do. We're really excited to see that. So yeah, we're really happy to have you out here from Australia. That is incredible. Yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I want you to shout out the company you're sponsored by for sure.
So this is my mountain board. This is an MBS Pro 97. It's a little bit different to this board.
It's way more intense by every account of the word.
So this is a beginner mountain board, and this is like a high-end mountain board. So we have the full straps, so you can be fully locked into your board. I mean, it seems scary, like being a skater. I skate too. I've been skating for 15 years, but it really gives you a lot more stability and be able to, pop and jump high. And then we got like these big off-road tracks and big 8-inch pneumatic wheels. So it's pretty fun. I love doing jumps and riding in the street and riding things that I can't do on my skateboard.
I'm excited.
Let's
get this going.
Hell yeah.
Should I do something real quick, Daniel?
Yeah, do a thing.
Come on, let's do a backflip.
I'm gonna mall grab. I'm gonna roll off this box. Actually, you know what? I'm feeling edgy. I'm gonna back 180 off it.
No.
Ready for this, Daniel?
I'm ready.
I don't think the people are ready. Is this the right way to hold the brakes?
No, but do it anyway.
I'm done showing up the competition. Let's do this.
All right, so we got this bungee cord set up over here. I'm gonna pull it back and I'm gonna try go up the staircase. What do you reckon?
I think that's a great
Do you
idea.
reckon it's gonna work?
Yeah.
All right.
I could do that if I really tried. But he came all the way here. I don't wanna show him up,
I don't understand how you said. Yo! Yo!
He ollied higher on that thing without popping than I ollie on a regular skateboard. That was the single most incredible thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my god!
I don't know, man. I don't know. I thought that I could do all this stuff at first, but after seeing it, that's a very large gap that he just cleared. I think we need to put the bigger kicker on here and see how far he can go.
Just like launch. He might hit that,
He literally might hit the back wall.
or the light. I'm worried about the light.
I wouldn't be worried about the light on the skateboard, but this guy literally freaking, what is it? Hops. He hops about 6 feet higher than a normal skateboard.
Oh! That was all part of the show. Where's the bungee?
It's not like there's a giant bungee right there. It doesn't matter. You just roll over it because it's a freaking mountain board. It's meant for mountains.
With the hat catch.
Major props, man. That is impressive.
Yeah, thanks, dude. Maybe we could push this over and grind this guy. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea.
Do you know any Aussie slang? That's cheating.
So how long have you been doing this?
Skateboarding for about 15 years and mountain boarding for probably about just as long. I got into mountain boarding because my friend brought a mountain board to the skate park and I'm like, oh, that's a bit strange, but he begged me to try the mountain board, and we went down to our local golf course and rode it around the golf course and had the best day and did some jumps and some big slides, and it's so much fun, man. It's like a little bit different to skating and you get endless possibilities. You can ride anything you want.
This is sketch. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna lie.
yeah.
This is pretty sketch.
It's a bit rocky. I love rock and roll.
Get out of here.
Legend.
He was like, I don't know if it's possible. This is kind of rocky. And then he freaking takes it down like a boss. Yeah, you got that on the skateboard?
Maybe.
Oh, he's actually gonna go for it.
You know what?
I think we should leave it to the mountain
In
board
hindsight,
experts.
that was very impressive.
Oh my god!
He literally popped higher than you.
I didn't see anything.
Either front three.
Front three.
Front three higher than you.
Good.
Is that a safe spot?
Probably not.
What's it like having a fellow bloke next to you about to? Oh,
It's
wait,
good.
I don't know if I want to be.
Wait, is Carlos going too? It looks like Carlos is going too.
Hey, give it a wang danger.
I want danga.
The way you said that, just
That was beautiful.
how you feeling, Mario?
I feel like I'm gonna get my head chopped.
You just saw how high he went, man.
I'm kidding.
You know
I'm
he's
kidding.
gonna
I know
make
he
it.
can do it.
You know what I'm scared of?
What are you scared of? Me flaking on you playing Fortnite?
How did you know?
I just know what you're thinking.
Wait, I think Carlos is gonna tray flip over you guys.
Wait, what? No, he's not.
No.
Wait, what is he doing?
I didn't know what he was going for. If I knew he was going at all, then I'm fine. I'm scared.
What?
I could have stood up.
I couldn't even reach the board.
Bombed that thing like 7 feet high.
That was incredible.
Thanks. What else should we do? Maybe I could do a war ride. Maybe off the little dinosaur. Over Sophie.
Over Sophie the dinosaur.
All right, Sophie, let's do it.
I love when people acknowledge Sophie. It makes me so happy. Skates with so much force that the obstacles move.
Oh, you want that?
How high up there can you get?
Dude, we should get like the bungee and just.
How are we gonna bungee him?
This will probably work, honestly.
Worst case, we just tear down the whole thing.
If anything, the entire shelf falls off the all product and all the boards they've skated, but it's okay. Mario will clean it.
Worst has happened.
This is the Braille warped wall now. It's like American Ninja Warrior Braille. It's like who's gonna make it to the top first. If you make it to the top first, you win money. Full send! Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, what has happened?
Is this my new break?
I feel like my mother has been insulted.
That is terrifying. That was the highest one.
Is that all right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I think I could get to like the keen. That's my goal, and I'll be happy.
I think he's got the barrel drop. Easily.
There's this really nice long ledge here. I might try and back 50 and then come up to the wall and then try a backflip. But I haven't done one in 3 years, so wish me luck.
Casual backflip, no big deal.
Here you go, a bit faster. Right there. 3, 2, 1.
What did I just witness? You are unbelievable.
Oh yeah. Hey Carlos, you got that right?
I reckon it's a little too late, but you guys did sign the waiver, right?
Oh my god. Okay. Little too soon on that.
That was so much scarier than the backflip.
Oh, I should have went for it. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect.
I can finally get down off of the death shelf.
Are you sure about this?
I'll give it a try.
He's gotta give it a wang. Yeah.
I felt that from over there.
Okay, Mario.
At least you didn't have a camera in your hand this time.
Jeez, Carlos.
I must say, that's like the most top I've ever seen off the braille drop before.
Yeah,
I've never seen someone.
One more for you.
One more?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Didn't even make a noise.
That was extremely gentle. Yeah! Carlos, you got his back? Just kidding, just kidding. Something broke. Oh, never mind, it's just your spare change. Yep.
I think the one takeaway I have from this video, he has hips of steel. You know how hard it is to turn that hard on that heavy thing? His hips are probably like freaking, like, wow.
He went so flat. Jeez.
All right, right here. For the boys. All right, we need more ramp.
Oh! Dramatic push number 2.
Dramatic push shot number 2. That is about 600 millimeters, we call it in Australia.
Here in America, we call that 4 Carloses.
How big this gap is.
I mean, I landed some of it. Alright, I'm feeling really good about this one.
This is the one.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah! Oh! He's an animal. Woo!
Yeah!
Man, how you feel right now?
Oh, really great.
That's got to be one of the sickest things to go down the barrel drop. And there's been a lot of things that have gone down that thing, and I've said things too many times in the last sentence. But props, man.
Thanks, dude.
Thank you so much.
So much
for,
fun.
For visiting all the way from Australia and showing us your amazing skills. The backflip was incredible. All your handrail tricks, everything was really sick. So yeah, thank you for coming out. We appreciate it.
Hey, stop right there. I've got a present for you.
I do like presents.
Now, I just wanted to say,
Okay.
back home in Australia, I teach skateboarding and mountain boarding.
Yep.
And you guys have inspired so many kids to get into skateboarding, and it really shows back home in Australia. You guys put a lot of things out, and it's about time you guys got something a little back. Here's a boomerang all the way from Australia.
Finally! Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
Yes. You said you're building a mountain park.
Yeah,
So
mountain board park.
Where is that and how is that working? How can we support it or shout it out in some way?
Yeah, so my company, Australian Mountain Boarders, we build mountain board parks around the world, and we put on live demonstrations at events and teach kids how to ride. We're very fortunate enough to be building a full-size mountain board park in Melbourne. And if you want to learn more about that, you can follow my YouTube channel, RadfaceBGC, and my Instagram, RadicalFace. I can't wait to show you guys. We've been filming the whole process, and it's going to be very exciting.
It's going to be awesome. Social media, anything else you want to shout out?
MBS Mountain Boards, www.mbs.com. That's where you can get all the mountain boards from and learn more about the sport. It's a really great sport. It's a bit different from skating, and you can do so much. And of course, I love skateboarding. I've been skateboarding for 15 years, and all this stuff is so much fun.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Hell yeah.
Thank you so much.
No doubt. Thank you.
Yeah,
guys.
awesome having you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You can check out all of those links. The links will be in the description below. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I had fun filming it, because it's gonna be hard to top that, because that was a lot of fun. So please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Definitely check out all those websites down below, because it is a very important cause and we want to spread different sports all over the world as well. So definitely check it out. You guys won't be disappointed. We will see you tomorrow.
Phew! Thanks, guys.
This is my first ever boomerang throw in my entire life.
I would go, yeah, back up. Come back into this corner.
Oh, we're talking the range. It's the best day of my entire life. Oh, I hope I don't break a light. Aaron, if I break a light, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Dude, that has some curvature to it. That was a good start.
Trying to kill me?
Maybe.
I'm not a kangaroo, man.
Oh, there's too many beams in here, man. That was. Should I go outside?
Yeah, if you were in a park, I would have come back.
Need more sky.
Oh no!
A bit of sticky tape, mate. She'll be alright.
Got the flex tape, right? I swear, I will call a fire department to get my boomerang up there if it falls, if it goes up there.
Oh, yeah, you're on.
No! Oh no!
Don't worry, mate. That's good luck in our country.
Is it really?
Yep, you're finally a man.
It hurts so much to be a man. All right, I'm gonna buy like 10 of these.
Type.
Try it like that. Seriously.
Should I go against the? Maybe if I go against the wind will blow it back.
Do it.
Physics.
Do it.
Come back, baby!
Yeah. That was a solid one. That one came back. You just needed to catch it.
I've never been more happy.
That was the real deal.
Yes. Yeah. All right, I'll take
Yeah, that
that. I'll
counts.
take that. Oh man.
That went out that way and came back that way.
Did you see that? I gotta see that.